In this video, let's talk about the pandas introduction. Pandas introduction. Now, first of all, pandas is an open source library. Anybody can use open source library. And the next thing is it provides various data structures and also we can manipulate numerical data and time series. And the other thing is it is quite fast and has a very high performance, very fast and high performance high performance library. Now let's talk about the history. Actually, let's talk about the history. Now pandas were initially developed by wes mckinney. It is in the year 2008, right? While he was working at AQR Capital Management, he convinced that AQR to allow him to open source the pandas. Now we have also another AQR employee named Changshi joined as the second major contributor in the year 2012. Like over the year, there are many versions of pandas have been released. You should quite sure that you'll be downloading the latest version. Okay. Now, what are the advantages of pandas? What are the advantages? See, we can do the same thing even with Excel, but Excel will become slow when we're using the large amount of data. So, pandas will be an alternate for Excel, and it is also handy for data science, which I'm going to talk here in a while. So what are the advantages? It is quite fast actually, right? And efficient for manipulating and analyzing data. Fast and efficient, right? And we can load data from different file objects. Suppose we have an Excel format, we have CSV format, we have a JSON format, right? We have different file formats we have. So we can easily load these files, right? We can easily load these files into pandas. Now another important advantage is we can easily handle the missing data. See, when you are opening let me just write easy handling of missing data. Suppose when you have opened any kind of a file, it is obvious that there will be a lot of missing values, right? So to handle such missing values, pandas will have a certain libraries which will make the data in a very structured way. So this is another advantage. And just like similarly we do some merging and joining in Excel, we can also do that in pandas. Data set merging and joining, right? And it is very much flexible, right? It is very much flexible in reshaping and pivoting the data sets. Flexible in reshaping and pivoting the data sets. And it provides the time series functionality. It provides the time, very important actually. It provides time series functionality. Now, why pandas is used in data science? See, pandas generally used for data science. This is because pandas are used in conjunction with other libraries that are used in the data science, right? It is built on the top of a NumPy library, which means that lot of structures of NumPy are used or replicated in pandas. Now, the data produced by pandas are often used as input for plotting functions of we have another libraries like matplotlib, and we have another library called SciPy, which is used for statistical analysis. And for machine learning algorithm, we use a library called scikit-learn. So pandas program can run from any kind of text editor, and it is recommended to use a Jupyter notebook for this, as Jupyter given the ability to execute code in a particular cell rather than executing the entire file. And Jupyter also provides an easy way to visualize pandas data frames and plots. So this is about the introduction. In the coming videos, I would like to talk about more practical for pandas. We'll see you in the next video.